good signature. Right, aspiring, remember me 5 minutes now. Five final statements.
Voice, they were until sorry, I thought you say about. Also, I think so when you started, I came in, but there's a middle back home doctor to me, my tea but baby, I kind of my come me, yeah, hear the voice. The Ghana for was Ibrahim Muhammadian. And like how they came in with a plan. So they came in with a plan, and I think so that is what NPP we lack. NDC we are well coordinated, we are organized. Omo buy a gold board and almost you know, almost almost small scale miners, you know. And is it Newmont? Omo the omo nka ho we black voter for the Azuma for nka ho all those years. Not omonim where this was going because omonim say omasa agye no aka ho. But no ye gye ayempase be make account to anybody. All right? Na say yetimitna ho asoman. Kani yetimi manipa ba kumienu bi efa o manager padia ye nananom de agya yen tete o ma ko asase ho e de agya yen yesi nipa ba kumienu bi aba befa na minim so me kai so can stay capture no bi so record over the obekwa akoma wo mu sedin so you see that person on won who say ya wongo the onima na say edua buaka obisim na Ibrahim Muhammad duru ho say or Baba my baby. So as Ghanaians, that is where Yajini sometimes and I'm sorry to say this, but then Yajini are very, very low. So the aircourse will run us in an ye Bibia is upside down. But some Ghanaians yin dear airco. Until some yes, like a shima kuma. And honestly, one time my friend said me name call a doctor's office, and I was glad say no, I wasn't going to listen to what you were saying anymore because it gave me relief from Asamana Wokan. See to me at Sinaho, nay to me at two about full say, I'm more be abba national head you are more ya Ghana.
But as far as you know, like, I want to be truthful to you, okay? In all of these things that have happened, the person to blame is Kandapa. National Security. Yeah, he was National Security Minister under Akufo Addo. He's the person to blame.
Because honestly, Dr. Baumia so be used to youth, you know, in the governance, and because Kandapa no were here.
He's gone. He's chilling somewhere. He was busy as Minister of National Security. He was busy doing a video call with Slay Queen, and Slay Queen was telling him to turn around. And he didn't even know they were recording him as a Minister of National Security.
Why can we put somebody like that as national security or no name security?
Do you realize NDC met with journalists over again clandestinely in secret, and our intelligence services could not pick it up to let us know, tell government, MPP know, where Nekosu journalists were anyway they are meeting here, they are meeting NDC in Penny 4 here. That's one of the reasons why we failed as a
answer no say owo abrochiri ana say owo Ghana ha na oye program bi ete say engagement wedding ana say funeral na ope obi a obeba betwa video no ede ama ana say oba betwa pictures na me kire quality videos ana say quality pictures a enfo wani enchirem e wo ba bia say cam hacks na ma no e na eda screen ne so no na djuma ho etwa yi papa Ghana ha ba bia wo bia o frɛ na obeba abetwa wo program no e de ama
as a party.
That's what I'm saying, as organization, I had a chance to listen to what's her name, Honorable Kokufu today. We have other people coming. NPP need, I'm going to use this word, a reset. Okay? We need a reset. Like we cannot have the same people. And as some can came, right?
But please, but let her land, please. Okay.
You know,
I'll come back to you. Aspiring, go ahead. Can you imagine? Ah,
Boys,
that's it.
you see, this is the thing. Listen to me refill my thoughts. Okay, so I can dear, yeah, Real Max and Conscience spoke bitterly about voice. As some way intimacy and DC.
Sure.
Ain't me say me bomb in some of my Mustafa Grande. Tawana way ni peba when it was scrapping up and any aje him see ever support you. I'm on my own. He came out and he sat down and says a party as some young kind of social media. So they all shut up.
Yeah.
And he's what, the assistant or deputy general
He's a
secretary.
deputy general secretary. Yeah.
Yes. So they all shut up. But then yeah, you don't want to see it to honey kuya who voice. I know Pa said they can for an AM and yet but and not Pa so no it's like to say yeah use the kind of try your home back and forth. And we need sanity. Really, the air question and name the crowd because it's like you're partnering, ye kuno, penny be nim obia the no communication is being done. Boys, why am I hearing this thing that you're telling me from you? Where are our communicators? I know say you are part of them, but the national
Yeah.
executives, where are the press conferences? All of these things ni atena ho my courses say ya. Guys, mental mission this is I'm rather meet you brony no and because it's relieving. It's not giving me any anxiety. Like it's good for me to sit and talk about. Because as Conscience said, would there be I want to be maintenance now complaining over and over again and nothing is happening. I'm praying that we go for this election near by a census near who say it's a year juma. Maybe many de be me and the massing voice as I'm not kind there. Like it gave me relief when I left your life from what you were saying. It was giving me distress. Intimate you can't see me now I said me who told me Sam now I wasn't listening to you. So, like, what is going on in Ghana? No, after 4 years, pan, you try ye, I'm fire near man to 2 years, no, your masankro for his transfer. You wouldn't have a Ghana to go back to. So, on to voice, Madam Anusim, I would like to say, me mum dear, me Dr. Baumia, whenever they say, a drew no sono, that is not the reason why I want to vote for Dr. Baum. One can be to be and can be voting for Dr. Baumia. And yes, I drew so. I believe that he's the most competent person there. A Juano obetini. So when we talk about say yes, we be a Juma, we be a farming. Where is the data? It shows say this is what you need. Boys, let me go into a meeting. And yes, yeah, order BB $6,000, right? Insulin needles $6,000, and insulin needles $6,000 now. The administrator for all nurse managers and meeting. It's a meeting. What was the question? Is how many insulins patients do you have? What is the frequency? How many times are you giving this insulin? You are ordering this amount of insulin needles.
Because
What I realized,
$6,000 for insulin needle is not a small
yes.
amount.
Yeah, so what I realized was that most of these nurse managers that were sitting there, it was like, oh, we are just what you're torn bare 6 months needs to and I said bare 3. They couldn't give you concrete data on what they were ordering. And this is what Ken and the others are doing. Without like proper data, you cannot go on and know everybody's need. And cracks and here who are more Ghana a day, yearly, when we are not even creating a registry, you bet me are finding cry warm and all that. So we need digitalization because with digital economy, will be bad when you say the corruption will form, BBR will form, not voice. And then I listen to NSS, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Now how almost we are so they're new. Whatever happened, and I hope say like Sani you're back. You're gonna say something. Boys, I'm ending back.
No problem. Go ahead.
I'm ending back. I don't know.
You see, NSST, Dr. Baumia was straightforward on this thing. And that's why I have come
Because
to
they've
realize.
attached him they've attached him to it. So he went there and he congratulated them and all those things.
So the thing is that, you see, for starters, this case is still in court. The people have not been
Yes.
found guilty. Okay. Now, the
Yeah.
truth of the matter is that there were ghost names in NSS. They were removed through the intervention of Dr. Mamundu Bawumia using the Ghana card. Okay.
Yes.
Now, my first time when I started my postgraduate, my professor said something. He said that Ghanaians are very smart when it comes to the use of drugs for their side effects.
Okay.
So when you come up with a drug in Ghana, somebody is able to think that this hypertension medication that they are supposed to use for hypertension can be used as an aphrodisiac. So in the end, no, it's no longer about the hypertension. It's about it being an aphrodisiac. And that is the system that it is there. Bawumia came, he saw what was the issue, he corrected it. The human beings who were there now thought about how to now outsmart this system that Bawumia has corrected. So what is the way forward? That is what Bawumia said in the run-up to 2024 election. National service should no longer be compulsory, because the same national service, Abu Gapeli, went to prison because of that. Stolen monies. NPP comes, same thing happens. Why do you keep that thing there? You remove it and the corruption is gone. Make it optional. Then you find another source for paying the people. Bawumia suggested a solution.
The boys, do you believe this cook and bull story? So these people have indeed embezzled this kind of
that's what I'm saying. But that's what I'm saying, that even permitted, granted, say it happened, that I'm telling you, I promise you, you are going to hear about NSS in this government, this forest, are going to hear about it again. So how do you prevent it? It's by bringing the solutions that were proposed by Dr. Mamundu Bawumia. As far as
the boys in 2009, the NDC went ahead to print out account numbers.
Yeah,
against
Fidelity Bank and all
these names.
Yeah.
Na sika na shisha ni muno na Ghana kura ni sika no. So when they came to power, were they able to jail anybody?
No. All right. Yeah, Aspiring, are you done?
Yes, but then your communicators in way. I go back to that. Your
I don't even know where my director is. I don't know.
Yes, I know.
My issue is most of our people know.
Voice.
Mommy, yeah.
You remember before elections, I was hitting on communication.
Yeah.
They will correct it. Our communication has broken down completely.
Yeah. And
look, 3 months before election, you say you're communication director at the hospital. When you're accident, you're at the hospital. So who was the arrowhead for communication?
Yeah. I think traditionally
these things must be checked too.
Yeah, since Nana Komia, I think communication, we've had issues since Nana Komia. After him, actually, we've had a lot of issues.
Yes,
so that
but
is why
Nana Komia should come back.
I doubt he will want to come back. But I mean, that is why we are now going to vote for that position.
Vote for it.
It's helped my campaign, okay? We have good signature. Thanks for coming around. Hoping to see you again. So we have to help me win this election, okay? I mean, it's very important for us. I promise you. When I was just as a president, there were some things that I saw my friends in NDC. They were planning a lot of the times. All you need is, as a president of the student body, you come out and declare your stance, and that was it. So I know that with the GhanaNsem, there is a lot we can do for our party. Unfortunately,
the boys, me wasn't na make be a mouth. Me say yeah, party MPP as NPP, we don't support our members.
No, at all, not at all.
Right. The time I was school, no university. Wow. Na Awa Muhammad. So at that time, na NDC sponsoring NDC. I didn't even know say university elections near to based on that.
Oh, yeah, no.
I didn't know, but that was the main all across.
Yeah.
And we should have plans for those things and start grooming people.
Yeah.
Very necessary.
I've sent a lot of our party people messages. They just ignored. They are just
Don't mind you. I know them.
yes, but I mean, we've been through that before. SRC, it was through nobody's assistance. Still, God showed up, and so I know this time around, God is going to show up. All right, we are wrapping up. Let me go to Ranado Nyami. You did not touch on the 5 million for Ken and then other stuff. Were you surprised when you heard the 5 million bit? Do you think it's too low for Ken, or you think everybody has a price after all? And then 3 minutes, Yankwe.
Yeah, Ken. Ken. Voice. Before
Yes.
before even that, I think somebody was when Manuel came, he was talking about say a reckless guy no better than no we say
Yeah, Anthony.
yes I not here.
Pacho
I
no
just
kwenu no
want
onye
to
voterian no pamcho, onye voterian.
Pacho ye be a jaisa or ye be a or come. Debia
My
na
people
pese
this year,
udwani free. Debia pese udwani free you say.
this year my people they are not helping me. But
Oye
as for
bi
Jacob
amasa.
Nade, he's not. That one is agreed. So that one alone is okay for me.
Na
Kindly go
ukoye
ahead.
nukwe nuhu video beto obeti crown ewo oyi TikTok ni so.
Mami Misa Ibio.
Yeah.
Into 5 million NBN was signed, he still went ahead and apologized to Mama, said, some more kafa no nya.
Eh.
This man is evil. Maybe Chiamika.
Yeah, Sem.
Weak. Your part in a weak. I can just kept there.
Any leadership. That's it.
We right now.
Enti sene na America no. Enyese eyonu in person is all of them. Uko
Yeah.
Jubilee House hono ma obeka se yate adura so so.
Yeah.
Tandogbe, Kakare Ablokwa, Joyce Mutau Bawa, Sam George, and even Wig Munipa. You know Wig
And
Munipa?
Jantwa.
Yes, Wig
One
Munipa.
name no.
To say,
West.
Omu as you say, I don't know what is going on. Then you know, almost stuck in trade.
Yeah, but the president told you that
arrogance.
as for you, Ashanti region, even if you should do your roles as with gold, you'll not be grateful. Which
You
one
see?
is worse than that?
Nti from ono
Yeah.
papa na nkasa mu no akokora no ebesi omo from ho ni nyina sa no mutie and they think say eye no I norm no mu obi atimi ye nyope. When you go to their social media handles, if you go and ask them a question as a citizen,
Hey.
ade beche ne ashopa obasa as presidential staff so
Miniaba, Mammy Fabinco, President Nicojina, Eska say, Omoto Abano win and Nukompu, the Catchens of Mini, Mamma.
Thought yasi. Enti no ɛha adwen na ayi ɔmo wɔ nkyɛnkyɛn nyinaa ɔmo nyinaa ba bɛka ho so wɔ ho na me de to aso no a video a mehwɛ yi a aha madwen this week paa baako ɛyɛ nea boys bi te hɔ na ɔmo si ɔmo yɛ adwuma de tia MPP te sɛ Mira, wow, it's so shameful. It's just like, what do you want? And then you want the same thing. There's this guy also, yeah, I think he's also a numerologist.
Yeah.
Or camps. And he was also saying, as someone also kind, it's almost the same as the boys Nikan.
But even this guy, go ahead.
Guy near when now.
Sabato even came to confess.
You see, so they should. I just said, MPP is not about spiritual. Idea call and they will have to go back and redo those things. If was say Ken Eba Bima was so they have to go back and redo them. Dream say party mu a yetimu no ebinom obi timi gina ho no mo say senya media and nobody else should come. So and look at the situation of the party. NPP is at its lowest in this time. Ye hu nia ye nye ye ho. Nti no premise na ye kono. Se mo yiye mo hu sa na ha adwen. But I always thank God for one person. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. He's the man who is always calm in the storms. Oh no, he's the man who is always calm in the storm. And so when he around him, he's always calm. No, ye din say no noa. And no so yes, sir, or no so boot for booter. And ka promise no ka ye hu ne ebe ye ho. And because of ni senior tie ni no. Enya influence wo omo a omu di n'achi no, even though se omu be ye kura na because of him no. Omu timi nya ni bebreti senior other side no free wa eba no. So how on earth sa 5 million semu ya yeke? Then I know we should be able to come out to tell us, to debunk, say, be a 1 G scan. Then if you debunk, near who say 1 G, but so far as I hang say, would be sawa when I be a mekan wasem no. You should be able to give accounts. You should be able to give accounts of what you use the money for. And no, and now boys net titi hono, edi kwa ye, a friend is saying, omo de kwa ye, a yiditi MPP na. Is that what you use the money for? And yeah, come on. See the MPP mu ye tutu ye hu we say no. Na me de be ameka MPP wo hu. There's a spirit. People always say, they say, oh, there's also a spirit behind the party. Say omutu omani so say delegates no ubedwin say bia and you must about MPP delegates. One thing I always congratulate them for is that they always make the right choice for Ghana.
Yeah.
They make the right choice for Ghana.
They've never
So
gotten it wrong.
when you see so say wo and they do so. We ye den ye do be de do be. At a point in time, Nanado after his second after election petition, no, when he went back to the he didn't intend to come back.
Yeah.
To me no any say John no and a cook guru no if free one no muso mu ye de no ebe saba. Why? Because he had become a household name. He had become a household name already. And as we speak, Dr. Bawumia, what be a household name? Ghana. So, and it's one of the things that Ghana for a so I saw a video yesterday that was somebody went to the market random to do an interview. Mami funny catch and say, hey, school assembly. Almost say ento ade. Enu de yenim se onipa de sika no or the go for inflation, but or say mami no for her analysis is that near ade ama emu aye din kra ne say enkola no school fees na omutua sese sika na omogege no na entesa say no muntua sa amount but sese no sika tua no adoso e wo school no because na sa first no na nyoma mu adin kra na because of the na ban ni ye ma omu wo school fees ni ayi mu nti no mutimi esoso nyoma mu kakra but this time the quarter ni esandre ni omu kan nti ebusuafo yesremo nia yese ayi dia waye pida no do ye household name no onu na yemfa no nko a lot of the things are say Dr. Bawumia has been vindicated and he's still being vindicated. Yesterday, that time it was Ghana card. Yesterday it's gold purchase program, right? And gold purchase program, you know na NDC for omo afa wo Bank of Ghana omo kwasisa galamsey gold no bank ni to no koton de ba be kan reserve hono no de akogu forest mu say $40. It's somebody's idea. And I believe, say, the ideas now they ban to put Ghana in the right path. No? And no, I yet digital say the economy. If you economy now, say economy near manual economy, I better na koso. I better na nyoma koso. Then we will not have a country. Intini yesramu Dr. Bawumia say ya di no ba. Hey, say voice unim say krano. Dr. Bawumia obia woni t-shirt ofio nti ye kra no ye moka ye nye t-shirt ye pa because ye ka so obia nhye ni Dr. Bawumia t-shirt mra obia benya bia sharp nti ye de sika be kwa koto ho no mo ti moma enja ne ye ma nipa no nko na me de ade ba ko na meka MPP for ka se we ne de ne ko na se wampene ama na nkwa a mo amuwo akire no mo ma and that is what has happened to yellow afafanto anti afafanto ene wakwakwo wadane ne ho metamorphosis or metamorphose to different types of parties are who baby ojina no. So penny ye no ball nanado echidom no ko yanka, but this nanado ko ama ono so ayeden nka will not be ono so time aba, but to decide this said the same thing na mo ye no so be bi ene ne ne a odi akwakọ from me another way say ya wasan sisa ne hu ntimi de misrɛ mo ma yɛmfa nipa no amra ya ton no ne hu ni asɛm ensɛm a ɔde ba last okodu ayiwo your friend is saying he's a man of ideas, he's always working with ideas in his mind. Who problem pe na solution na bani trim last time okohu so be a problem kuma e wa pe o say we will have to get a welfare we say ye be o say yenya party welfare for your members no, which is very good. So what you say na voice me patrol da ben na ye beto ye beto national executive election no da ben ye beto.
We'll finish everything before, let me see, I think September next year, everything.
Inti the national ho no omo die no da ben ye beto omo die no.
They are normally the last until by July, August next year, beto.
Hey! If it's certain we say copy July, not just MPP. No, yes, yeah.
Oh, it will be better because we will have a flag bearer who will be like a deputy leader of the party.
So are we going to fix our look at the communication? Sir, Ibrahim Mahama. We shouldn't stop talking about it too.
No.
But when and when you go on social media, nobody is even talking about it.
Pay for our own shows. I mean,
why?
Very soon I will start going to radio stations in Accra.
And don't tell me say Anyabatu is not from your place.
Oh,
just
he is my senior brother. In fact,
yes, too.
He's my senior brother, and
all
of us. In fact, even the region itself is disappointed in him. So we can't wait to see his back. It shows. I mean, thank you so much, Nanado Nyami. Yeah, Real, kindly come in 3 minutes. Real Pacho, Nawada. 3 minutes.
Voice. Now, your friend is because my name say if you've ever heard of Kakra Samoa.
Yeah.
Kakra Samoa na omo twins na baako and NDC and a Kakra no MPP. The things are which made Damboche write a wrote a letter to sack him. And no the Canada aye mukota. Entino yeah, and una everyday
Kakra Samana or Oscar. No on Oscar.
And una everyday your friends say indiscipline. Ama party me ajijabe do samreo. So if they had cracked the whip, when you said this whole thing started under John Bodu, Nansen Komosake Canada Yamo.
Yeah.
And no man, no motna wana Abedru Samri. Now, if somebody like Abronya is standing toe to toe with him, say, meant now my own say party now. Then you just say the hypocrisy of Kubia started writing what letters to the disciplinary committee. Now, who will be what letter write it to the disciplinary committee? And can you person go free party much? Now, maybe the make if he thinks he's that popular, I don't know no go to the party. Because the party for Omojimi, Omunim Jansa, Omoyakron for they are still as if there's no tomorrow. Why do you still want to be a member and to lead that party, Akron 4 party? Does it make sense to you?
No.
What is going on here? They are stealing, they are stupid, they are foolish, they are this. You don't want to associate yourself. You don't even know why you belong to that. At then still, this are party. And to say there was not in the case 10 months is too early for him to friends criticize this government. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. And even baby akɔ so wɔ nsɛm ɔmo de di Ghana for yi. You have nothing to criticize. There be unti ready yes hair. Fellas na friends voice. Your friend is sa hopes na adoi Jimmy for na no de japa buku nam friends left right center day friends afternoon night morning no. Where is he now?
I say no I just Samira and there snobbing.
Why then?
I just Samira snobbed him today. I mean, refused to shake
The
him.
boys, who video no?
My video no. Say my can
Yeah, send him me because me no onimbo me akasa na me bufu na me die.
Or therefore I will face
same video or the same video.
Yeah, me hwe me bufu o du ba me o ne kasa na me bufu na me die.
Ba me na kasaye.
Yes.
Yeah, but me I thought yeah no.
About me the obecha.
But on the Obecha. Samira spoke to him like best briefly, but then she did not extend any hand for any shake, and he had to walk away. And they are dragging him.
This guy has no shame. He has no shame. And me sense or you be an new as or make attempt to cry to even if I say pass through baby crop or Baumian.
Dr. Baumian and Yamin Shen so now Upson don't call him baby or far audio or the sound by say shaking. Dr. Baumian Yamin
Just me maybe I see
voice.
To say what was that guy was it why what done your friend is and Takrabo kwa Wonkobi. Some officer NDC for the airport work by man meboa.
Oh yes. Yes.
She say Takrabo kwa she say sura ina masase sura ino. We are see
his back.
So uti we are see na say if that is how I am me twene ho me sometimes miss it is uncle Yankopon just God is so to the sense that such people should not say in the olden days na a prompt me payment nipa 23,000 no me honor. And because in Candice for we na mama and for in Anka some linka and God they have been buried underground. Yet Ghana for a sofa we are. I call them criminals in Castle. Omote was a san nipa we ni Yankopon esena koma yentu medi o man so. Are we safe?
Leader, why?
Are we safe?
I have to go.
Sankrofo we are almost in Yankopon I catch them say the obedi president. Me we are COVID by Nyamian Kanjero. These criminals. Omo catch them church members say omo sisi omo ja Adam we dey was so. Me we almost is omo dey was as so. These criminals. Voice, mommy, just now.
For coming. Yes, I think this is my first time hosting Uncle Max here. I'm sure. And our assistant.
Real Max.
Yes.
He's everywhere. He's everywhere.
I see. Right. Yeah.
And why? So when is the this thing? The elections. The one for school.
It will be I think 21st November, but the open nomination
next year.
No, November. Yeah.
This year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have just about 3 weeks to campaign and do everything.
Are there now on nominations? Ni MBA and one start and
yes, I mean, also students' elections mostly the period is just about 2 years, like 2 months from opening of nomination to election. Normally, that's what it is. Even this one is late, but because of the CI, that's why it was delayed a bit. So the CI was approved, I think, 2 days ago. Even that one, the NDC people tried to influence the CI and all those things, but thankfully we still had one MPP guy in there who push some of the things through for us. So hopefully that's the most important thing now is how to raise the funds and campaign, because that is where the issue is. As for the popularity, the students, most of them, some of them know me from undergrad when I was SRC president, so they trust what I can do. So just left with putting together a good campaign, and then the branding also very important. Then we are able to push through. Aspiring 3 minutes now. Aspiring I busy. Or therefore,
Boys, no, many bibiaka. Yebe kasa wetri.
no problem. Yes, or therefore can you come in?
Voice. Me kasa first, no man. Me kasa me. Na
It's all be a GoFundMe money.
you be young with me. Unze nensi me, unze me ama yellow.